Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be working on this 2018 Chevrolet Silverado. It's a 1500, and we're going to be replacing the engine coolant temperature sensor, which is located right behind this on the other side. And we're going to be needing a couple things to take it off. So take this thing kind of off camera, but I'll show you. Just press it from the bottom, you pull it out, and then we're gonna get a flathead right here. So let me get that. All right, so right here we're gonna take this out. Okay, take this off as well from this side. This side. Hopefully it's not connected to anything else. Oh, it is connected to this thing. Those things are notorious for breaking, so be careful. Put this right in here. And guess what this is? This is your freaking coolant temperature sensor. It looks like a 22 or 21 millimeter. Alright, so I got my sockets. I was totally wrong. It's actually 19. So this is gonna drip, obviously, but just a little bit, not that much. So the reason why we're replacing this is because it was what do you call it? So he would drive it for a little bit, and then I don't know, 10-20 minutes later, the temperature will drop completely, and it will just go into cold, and the fan will just turn on completely, so on full blast. I've seen this a lot on Chevys and Fords, and this is usually the problem. So I got a Delphi engine coolant temperature sensor with thread sealant on it. That way we don't have to put our own plumbing sealant or whatever the hell plumbers use. I don't know why it came with a double. Oh, actually no, it's just one, but it's double layered. So what I want to do is just wipe those a little bit. I'm actually get a towel for that. Alright, so got me a towel. This is the brand new one. Alright, so since it has thread sealant on it, we can't really do it by hand. So we're gonna have to use the ratchet to thread it in. Oops, let's not smack that again. Let's see how far are we? Oh, we're still a little bit far. I'm gonna have to tighten it slightly hard because that crush washer is gonna have to get crushed. Alright, that looks good. Okay. Alright, pull on it a little bit to make sure that it's in, and in fact it is. I'm just gonna wipe off this area just a little bit. I'm gonna put this crap back in here. Okay. Alright, so what I usually do for my customers every time I'm next to the throttle body, just clean the shit out of it. You gotta clean the tip of the butterfly valve as well. You don't just clean the valley. That looks clean. Alright, clean it up there. And the tip of the valve, the butterfly valve. Perfect. Make sure no debris is in there. Alrighty. It looks good. We didn't lose that much coolant. It's like negligible loss, so you don't really have to top anything off. There's a lot of excess in that tank or the reservoir. We gotta put this side first. Alright, so you always make sure that this is bottomed out completely and it's all the way on. Trying to feel, okay, yeah, it is all the way on. Push it a little bit with your hand. Alright, so we can tighten this. Make sure that it's all the way on. Alright, so as far as the code, I don't know if there was a code, but I'm pretty sure there was. If you do have a code, go ahead and delete it before you start the car. If you don't, go ahead and start it. So there's no code now, but the reason, well, there's no code now because the customer kept disconnecting the battery because the fan keeps running at full power even when the car's off, so he doesn't want to kill the battery. Anyways, the job is done, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn the car on, and we gotta take it for a drive and then see if the problem is gonna come back. All right. Yeah, we're all good here. Literally nothing. So, we'll see. Alright, so I drove the truck for about 20 minutes and it had no issues. Temperature stayed exactly where it was. Didn't drop the scene. Fan started, none of that. And customer drove it afterwards and verified that there was no problem. So that's how you do it, guys. If you have any questions for me, let me know. See you later.